Today we'll be learning 2 ways of saying the name of, you got that right, Thursday. In Master Azerbaijani word of the day, we have the official name first, of course, CÜMÄ AXŞAMI, very similar to Tuesday because that also had the word AXŞAMI. But let's take a look at closer. CÜMÄ AXŞAMI. Now, that is Thursday. But let's take a look at some phrases and I'll let you know how else we call Thursday. And then sentences. Phrases first, okay? Yeah, that's also called Eve of Friday. On Thursday at the library, on the eve of Friday, that's the favorite word at my work, Friday Eve. Let's see. Cuma akşamı kitabxanada. Kitabxana, library, kitabxanada at the library. Cuma akşamı günü, the day, eve of the Friday. Now, that's the second name for Thursday. It's called dördüncü gün, literally the fourth day. Now, sentences. Cuma akşamı günü komanda ilə uzun iclasımız oldu. Amma yenə də layihəni vaxtında təhvil verməyə nail olduq. On Thursday, we had a long meeting with the team, but we still managed to deliver the project on time. Cuma akşamı günü, on Thursday, on the day of Thursday basically. Komanda ilə, komanda loan word, with the team. Uzun iclasımız oldu. We had a long meeting. Uzun, long iclas meeting. Now, amma, but, yenə də, still, layihəni vaxtında verməyə nail olduq. We managed, nail olduk, to achieve, to manage, to do, to deliver the project on time. Project, like I said, layihə. On time, vaxtında. Deliver, təhvil vermək. Okay? Next sentence. Biletləri cümə axşamı aldım. Çünki həftəsonu qiymətlər yüksəlirdi. I bought the tickets on Thursday because the prices were going up for the weekend. Bilet is a ticket, biletlər ticket, biletləri da tickets. Cuma akşamı aldım. I bought on Thursday. Çünki, because, həftəsonu, weekend, qiymətlər yüksəlirdi. The prices were going up. Qiymət is the price, yüksəlmək. Yüksək, high, yüksəl, imperative, get high, yüksəlirdi, we're going up. Okay, now, that was today's word, Cuma akşamı, aka dördüncü gün for Thursday. That çok use. I'll start the diet on Cuma akşamı, right after pizza night. Now, if you are interested in learning the language, I have masterozabji.com where I post more tips and tricks on cultural, historical, grammatical, and more aspects of the language. I also have Master Azerbaijani app available in App Store and Google Store, where Module 1 is completely free, and that is the main module, I would say, that will give you foundations to set you up for success in terms of learning the language. Otherwise, come back tomorrow to learn how else 2 ways of calling Friday. Cheers.